taught anatomy, kailangan po muna natin malaman ang different branches niya. And apparently, bago natin malaman ang different branches niya, kailangan muna natin malaman yung objectives ng PowerPoint niya. Ito.
Ang nakabulol-bulol kayo dyan. Stick to your religion. Dahil ang religion nyo na yung stick to. Why? Doon nyo nakilala ang
kasi ako
sabi ko eh.
Pero nakapag-gusto yun. Nakapag-gusto na sa inyo.
Kanino ka pa hindi tayo?
Malam.
Ako rin.
Ha?
Nagsukat.
Nang?
Pwede na kaya? Tanong mo muna si ay, nasa likod mo ito. Katabi mo lang.
College shirt daw. Pwede na daw ba magsukat ng college shirt? Pwede na.
Kaya ano, di ba?
Sila ba?
Hello?
Yung kanina, nag-ano pa, nag-Bible study pa.
Nagmimisa ng araw sabi ng anak niya eh.
This towards the
Hey.
tail. Itong nose nandun ang tail. So if this is the heart palate, this is si Bomber ay nagde-divide sa nasal cavity into left and right. Therefore, technically, yung isang opening yung
Dito ka ba nampot na buto
is
to?
two openings papunta sa left and sa right. And this is our killer. Susunod, ridge. What do you mean when you say ridge? Sharp.
Ano nalagay nila doon?
Uy, hindi niyo ibabalik yan? Ay, saan ba? Binabalik ko na ata. Wala namang volleyball dito eh.
Activity tayo.
Oo.
Parang ba't
O sige, may tumakbo na ng baby oil. Sige. Diyos ko, kahit punasan niyo lahat ng mukha natin dito. Tayo doon. Salam lang. Sa kanya,
Maganda ah.
Nagalit talaga ako.
ano, Raven, kinakas.
Oo, lumalagpas dito ko.
Sinamahan. Walang antok sipat pala.
Hi guys, it's Thursday and we only have one class for today, which is the embryology. Get ready with me. I still haven't recovered from my cold, so bear with my voice. Currently 8 o'clock a.m. and my class is mamaya ang 9 a.m. But I have to go since mahirap ang travel. Hi, so I'm craving for chicken, so I ordered some from Hope and I'm waiting for it. So I'm gonna go out to get my order, pero umuulan pa lang. Pero carry us. Okay lang. Salamat po.
Sa arrival ng airport. Tapos, may mga kumot talaga. Dadala natin is
Hi everyone! So finally, it's Friday and merong bagyo today. Kundi, the classes for college students ay hindi sila spent. Only for pre-elementary to high school students. It's currently 6 o'clock a.m. My classes is mamayang 7. We only have 3 subjects for today, pero maghapon siya kasi laboratory exam. So this morning, dalawa yata yun, 7 o'clock to 9 is yung poultry. And then next is gross anatomy. Laboratory yata yun. And then sa hapon, 1 is laboratory ng poultry.
Lumalaki ba? Lumalaki gago!
Reporting at saka individual reports. So sa assessment task number 1 niyo po, merong nakasign sa inyo na current situation ng event influenza 2025. 2024 to 2025. Wait na. This is ano po, this is
Naantok naman na ako eh. Everyone, so glad to Blue already sent me the products they promised, and I received 4 products from them. The first one is this blueberry ceramide gel cleanser. Next is their volcano creamy acid clay stick. And next is their intensive peeling solution. And lastly is their blueberry ceramide moisturizer. And now I have, it's not that I have to, but I want to make videos out of these products. But before shooting those videos, let us unbox the products first. Here they are. I'm so excited to try this because I'm a fan of gel cleansers, and they claim that this cleanser has a low pH level. Actually, I have their Earth version of this one. This. Wait, this is the gel food. Bro. Anyway, I have yung Mugwort niya nila, this one. I received this as a giveaway product. So I won their giveaway and got this. The difference sa packaging is this one, matte yung finish niya, while ito is glossy. Can you see it? Oh, it's so... Last but not the least.
Sige, uploadin mo lang. Hawakan mo yung beak. Hawakan mo yung
Hilain mo. Ipitin mo yung ano, yung ilong, yung ano niya. Nakapikit, oh. Hilain mo yung beak niya.
beak niya. Ganun.
Yan, hilain mo. Yan.
Ganito, oh.
Wait lang. Na-stress yung ano, na-stress. Na-stress mo yun.
Hindi yan mapapano, promise.
Sarap daw.
Ba't may naalog mo sa...